So today, customer states the door sags when it's open. As you can see, you got 3 broken hinges here. So the fix for that, first of all, we're gonna put a strut along the top of the door that'll reinforce the top section. Always required to have a strut when you have an opener attached. We're gonna rehang the back of the tracks here. Not sure what that is. And we'll also add an operator bracket as opposed to this angle iron. I can show you what it does when it's open. Almost falls on us, so let's get that fixed. All right, so here's our progress so far. Got all the hinges changed. All the rollers are changed out. She opens without trying to fall. Nice, nice. It is a little heavy because we added that strut up there. So we need to add some tension to the springs and then get these horrific back hangs taken care of. Try to wipe off some of that, whatever that stuff is, some lube maybe with some degreaser, and take it from there. All right, folks, so here we are with the end result. Got new hinges all the way across. Every single hinge was replaced. Operator bracket was installed. Strut on top. Serviced the entire door. Got the back hangs fixed. Hung them properly. This was what was on there before. All this to hang the back of the tracks. If you have this holding up the back of your tracks, you need to call World of Doors ASAP, because this is not right. All right, let's test this thing, see how she runs. She's back to life. Probably runs better than it ever did, even brand new. And there you have it, folks. World of Doors coming to the rescue on a Sunday.